Hi, my name is Vishal. In this video, we'll see the clamp utility. Clamp utility confines a number within the range what you have given in the node, um, or it returns a value within the given range. Maybe you're giving a random number or you are giving a float number, but the number will stay within the range of the utility. To explore that, I will open the script editor, sorry, the Hypershade, and get into the utilities section and then open the clamp here. And here if you see, there are options like minimum, maximum and input. Let's say if you have minimum of 0, maximum of 10, and if you give any input like let's say 50, the output will go as 10 because the clamp is has been given with a range of 0 to 10, as 50 is out of the range, so it will take the maximum number as the output here. If I put minus 15, then the output should be 0 because it's beyond 0 value, 0, -1 and so on. So to practically experience this, I've created two polygonal spheres, and if you see here, I'll open node editor and bring these two spheres into the node editor, and I've got sphere 1 and I've got sphere 2. Okay, I press 3 on the keyboard by selecting the node and expand it, and then connect translate Y to the translate Y. And if you see here, when I move the sphere 1, the sphere 2 will follow it, okay, only in translate Y, and it is taking the value as much as the sphere 1 is moving. So what I will do is, I'll break the connection and create this utility called clamp. Okay, and I'll connect the translate Y to the input green or Y axis, and then connect the output green to the translate Y, and I select the clamp node and set the range 0 to 10. Minimum is 0, maximum is 10. Now select the sphere and then move down. The ball doesn't move, but when I move up, the ball moves, and the ball moves only, the sphere 2 moves up to 10 value, and after that it doesn't move because it's clamped within the range of 0 to 10. So clamp is that. So whatever the input you give, but the output will be within the confined range of minimum maximum value. So it will be a great use in rigging and also in texturing. I'll open script editor and make sure that you hit this button so that everything is cleared here. So I'll come down to the mel here and just type clamp. It's a command, a mel command. I'm holding control and I'm scrolling the wheel, and you see the clamp here, and then I put a space bar and put two brackets in this, and between these two brackets I'll put a value of 0, comma 10, comma 25, and end the expression with semicolon. Now select that and execute the command. Okay, or you can just put just a minute, clamp 0, 10, 25, just hit Control Enter. I should see this is what the command I have written, and the result is 10 because 25 is clamped down to 10 value, because I have to pick. Now this is the minimum, this is the maximum, and this is the input, and this is the output. Okay, let's say if I put a value of -15, okay, then hit Control Enter again. Now -15 is beyond 0, so it has taken 0 value. For example, if I give a value of 5 here, now the value should be 5 there. Okay, this is very simple, and you can use a command to even make this clamp to work.